Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you are a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video I have covered a 10 job openings for the fresher guys. So if you are a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you are having a 1 year, 2 years experience in the cloud background, no problem, or it may be the DevOps, no problem, you can easily apply to the job openings which I am going to show you now. Moreover, guys, you may be from the any educational backgrounds like B Tech, M Tech, BCom, MCom, or you may be from the BSc or B.Ed, no problem. If you have learned the AWS or Azure or DevOps, you can easily apply. So, in this video, I have mainly tried to cover the best job openings for you. Okay, so I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end and try to apply this job openings as early as possible, because the number of applicants which are so high. So due to this high applications, the job link may expire at any time. So I'm kindly requesting everyone, please apply as early as possible. Okay, so coming to the next, today I have the one of the job opening of the day. Okay, that is the best opening for today's guys. So if you are kindly having 6 months of internship experience in AWS DevOps or in the Azure DevOps, no problem, you can easily apply. So the mainly the job opening of the day comes from the qualam.com guys. Okay, you may have heard this company, right? This is one of the famous Indian IT company. They are having the they are having the best work culture. So I'm going to show you one of the best job openings from this company also. So please, I kindly request everyone watch this video completely till the end. Now coming to the first job opening, here the first job opening comes from the company called Radware Technologies guys. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of cloud ops intern engineer. This is an intern position they are hiring. Okay, and they have clearly mentioned the intern infra automation engineer. The location is Chennai. Okay, so coming to the details, what are the requirement they are expecting is, they are expecting a degree from you guys. You should have a degree. It may be in the computer science field or in the information technology or any other, no problem. Okay, next is you should be having the basic understanding of Linux operating system. Okay, and you should know how to troubleshoot the errors and all. And here they have mentioned the interest in virtualization technologies including VMware and KVM. So you should be having knowledge of virtualization. You should have hands-on experience on working of the virtualization, that is VMware and KVM. And they are mainly expecting a basic shell scripting from you guys. It may be the Python language, Bash or a Go, no problem. Whichever you are comfortable, you are ready to go. Next is eagerness to learn about the containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes. So you should have the eagerness. Okay, that is, you should ready to learn the Docker and Kubernetes. If you don't know, some of the candidates fresher who don't know the Docker and Kubernetes, please apply, because if you are ready to learn, they are going to accept you, not a problem. Familiarity with cloud services is a plus, particularly AWS and related services, as that position itself suggests it's a cloud ops engineer. So you should have knowledge about it, maybe AWS or it may be the Azure, no problem. Okay, so you can if you're having a knowledge or if you're having hands-on experience on the cloud, that is good. Okay, you are highly prepared for this job opening. Next is you should be having the interest in monitoring tools such as ELK, Grafana, Prometheus, OpenTraces, Logstash, Pipeline. So you should be having the knowledge on the monitoring tools. It may be the Grafana, it may be the Prometheus, it may be the like ELK, no problem, anything is fine. Enthusiasm for the automation and eagerness to work in tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Puppet. So you should be having you should ready to work on the tools like Jenkins, Ansible or a Puppet. Okay, so this is the things which they are expecting from a fresher. Okay, they haven't mentioned about any mandatory skills here. See, if you have just basics knowledge about Linux and some DevOps tools and technologies and AWS or a Azure cloud, that's fine. Okay, the location is Chennai. Here they have given about the work locations and all. So just go to this apply online section and apply for this position. This is the first job opening for you guys today. And coming to the second one comes from the company called Scale Real. This is a startup company guys. This company is mainly hiring for so many positions. If you look at here, okay, so this company is also hiring for the positions of DevOps engineer, and this is a work from home job opportunity, that is a remote job opportunity, golden chance for you. If you are mainly looking for a remote opportunities, you may be far from any places, but you are actively looking for opportunity, then this is a good. They are here mentioned that 0.6 of 1 to 1.5 years of experience, 0.6 months. If you are having at least done one internship like 3 months or 6 months, you are eligible for this. Okay, so please try to apply. Don't leave any opportunities blindly. Okay, now coming to the sections, what they're expecting from you is, here you should be having experience or hands-on experience, no problem. It may be you should have automation tools, hands-on experience on the automation tools like Ansible, Puppet or Chef. It may be in any one. If you're having just a hands-on experience in the Ansible, that is fine. Okay, there is no need to worry about all these three things. Okay, next is good experience on containerization using Docker containerization, Kubernetes, AWS, ECS, EKS, Azure Container Services, AKS. So you should be having the knowledge and experience on the containerization tools such as Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS, ECS, EKS, or Azure containers. Okay, you if you are good at least one or two, that is fine, guys. There is no need to worry about all these things. Okay, hands-on experience in designing Kubernetes cluster with high availability and high performance. So you should be having the hands-on experience in the how to create the cluster, how to maintain the cluster, how to manage the ports, everything you should have the knowledge about this. Okay, next is strong knowledge in public clouds such as AWS or Azure. Okay, so you should be having the knowledge on the AWS or Azure. You may be the Azure fresher or AWS fresher, fine, you can check out this. Okay, having good knowledge in cloud deployment by using Terraform and or AWS cloud formation or Azure resource manager. Okay, so here they have clearly mentioned that you should be having the deployment experience mainly by using the Terraform, guys. Okay, or a AWS cloud formation or by Azure resources, it's any choice, no problem. Okay, and you should be having the good exposure to the automation tools such as AWS cloud pipeline or Azure. So here the CI/CD pipeline must be you must be having experience from using AWS cloud pipeline or Azure. Otherwise Jenkins is also fine, no problem. Okay, experience in CI/CD pipelines using Git. So you should be having the experience building the CI/CD pipelines by using the Git, Jenkins, or any Artifactory, no problem. Okay, so these all are the main technical skills which they are expecting. And coming to the soft skills, they are expecting is communication skills, problem solving skills. Okay, and you should be having a good initiative taking. Okay, so these are the soft skills they are asking. Additional, they are mainly looking for if you are having knowledge on Python, React JS, okay, Golang, that is fine, guys. Okay, look at this, they have mentioned about the job perks and all. Good remote first teams, flexible timings, everything you have having, and you'll be working towards the open source projects also. So if you are kindly a fresher, please do apply. Just go to this apply now section and apply for this position, because this is a good opportunity for AWS as well as an Azure fresher, guys. Okay, so this is the second job opportunity. Now coming to the third one, here the third one comes from the company called Odell Technologies. Okay, so this company is mainly hiring for the position of assistant consultant DevOps. This position is mainly for the DevOps engineer, guys. If you are having complete 0 years of experience in the DevOps field, you are good to go. Here they have mentioned the work experience is 0 to 1 years of experience. Okay, the city comes as Gurugram location and the state comes as Haryana. Okay, here the roles and responsibilities they have mentioned will directly get into the must-have skills and experience. So you should be having knowledge on Linux system, guys. That is very important before the DevOps. Okay, so they have first they have mentioned about Linux. Okay, next is they have mentioned you should be having knowledge on any cloud platform. It may be AWS. Okay, they have mentioned AWS as a mandatory, guys. Remember the point. You should be having compulsory knowledge in AWS. And next is Azure, GCP, Docker. Okay, you should be having knowledge on AWS mandatory, and as well as if you are having knowledge on Azure or GCP and Docker, that is fine. Next is they are asking a knowledge on shell scripting and Python scripting. Okay, so you should know how the shell scripting and all. Next they have mentioned experience of server monitoring, installation, DevOps build, release and continuous integration tools, frameworks such as Git, Maven, Jenkins. Okay, so you should know about DevOps tools and technologies, guys. So they have mentioned some of the tools which are mainly used in the industry right now. So please try to mention these tools, technologies in your resume. Familiarity with Node.js and Java build and deployment. So you should, if you are having mainly familiarity with the Node.js and Java, that is good. Okay, experience with Docker is must and knowledge of Kubernetes. So as I've already told you, you should be good at AWS cloud also. You should have knowledge, compulsory knowledge of Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform. Okay, and you should be able to learn quickly things. These are here they have mentioned about the DevOps desired skills, like you should be having this, compulsorily mention this in your resume. Okay, then only your resume is going to get shortlisted. Otherwise your resume may not get shortlisted. These are desired, means it should be there in your resume. Okay, so please try to mention this. Just go to this I'm interested section and apply for this job opening also. This is the third job opening for the day. Now coming to the fourth one. The fourth one comes from the LinkedIn, guys. Here in the LinkedIn there is one HR. Her name is Manpreet K. Okay, she is mainly hiring for one of our friend company. Okay, so the location comes is Mohali, Punjab, and they are hiring for so many positions, and they are also hiring for the DevOps engineer intern freshers. Clearly mentioned intern freshers. Okay, so here they haven't mentioned much about the role and all. They have just mentioned about the job location and the company they are hiring. Okay, so you can directly reach out to this person, Madhurima Fanny ma'am again. Okay, so she is the main hiring person. Otherwise, you can reach out this HR also. So here they have mentioned mainly for the freshers. So kindly be freshers. If you don't have any experience, please drop your CV, or you can also call to this number 9878764958. So this is the number. You can directly call and inquire about the position and all. Or otherwise, you can directly send your number onto this WhatsApp. Okay. Sorry, you can directly send your CV onto this WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is the fourth job opportunity for the today's guys. Now coming to the fifth one. The fifth one also comes from the LinkedIn only. Here there is one person. Okay, his name is Tausif Khan. He has posted a job opportunity, and the job opportunity is mainly for the position of AWS DevOps engineer. The experience is 0.6 to 1 year of experience. See, as I already told you, if you are having some internship experience or some real-time working experience of 6 months in any startup or a company, kindly apply for this. The location is work from home job opportunity, guys. Okay, remote or work from home. Moreover, the salary is 15k per month. For the fresher, the salary they are giving is 15k per month. Here they have mentioned about the JD. Okay, you should be having strong understanding of AWS cloud services, and you should be good at Python, REST API, software design principles. Okay, they are asking proficiency. Okay, so you should be having very good knowledge on Python, REST API, software. Next is the soft skill they have mentioned. Okay, that is excellent problem solving skill, and you should be able to work in a fast paced startup environment, and you should be having good communication skill. Okay, so here you need to share your CV to hr@adsystems.com. So they have mentioned email ID, right? So you need to share your resume to this. I am telling once again, this is a work from home job opportunity. This is a very good job opportunity for you guys. Even if you are sitting in home, you can easily get internship opportunity and earn a 15k per month. So fresher, please don't say there is no hirings. You can easily get a job openings here in my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, and look at for the apply for the job opportunity. Now coming to the sixth one. Okay, the sixth one also comes from the LinkedIn only, guys. In LinkedIn there is one company called 2070 Health. Okay, this is a startup company. This company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Look at this. The job location comes is Bengaluru. Okay, so many people from Bangalore location are asking me to asking me to show the job openings on the Bangalore location. This is for you guys. See, if you are having this is mainly for the junior DevOps engineer position. They have clearly mentioned 1 to 2 years of hands-on experience in managing, scaling cloud-based infrastructure by using AWS services. So you should be having a good hands-on experience on the cloud. Mainly if you are having at least 1 year of working experience, 6 months internship experience, 2 year working experience, you can easily apply. Requirements they have clearly mentioned, guys. Okay, so look at this. You should be good at AWS services such as ECS, ELB and EC2. Okay, and you should be know how you should have the experience with infrastructure as code, preferably Terraform. By using Terraform, you should create the AWS infrastructure. That is the main thing here. And familiarity with CI/CD pipeline, specifically using GitHub Actions. So you should be having the familiarity with CI/CD by using the tool called GitHub Actions. Next is understanding of basic networking, security, data storage concept. See, guys, if you don't have knowledge on networking, please learn, because if you go to any cloud positions, they will be asking you networking as a basic fundamentals. Okay, so please try to learn. And you should have the scripting, guys, very important. That is Python and Bash is mandatory. Okay, so they have mentioned about the degree and all. We should have at least some working experience or internship experience is fine. Just go to apply now section and apply for this position also. Okay, so this is the sixth job opportunity for you guys. Before moving into the seventh one, okay, I am going to tell you one more important thing. See, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, this is a daily job updates channel. Please do subscribe, because in this channel I will be mainly sharing the all job openings. Okay, so please try to subscribe. Okay, you are going to get all the job openings. It may be the AWS, DevOps, Azure, GCP, SRE, no problem. You will easily get. Okay, and moreover, this is my Instagram handle, Vishwakarkale. You can easily follow me. Okay, if you want any links, like whatever the job openings which I have shown you, you can directly follow me and message me here at any time. I will be replying you, every one of you, individually. Okay, so please try to follow my account, and you can ask for the links or a job openings, anything, guys. Okay, and if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, please try to message me like this. One of the person has messaged me like the cloud AWS experience. If you're looking for cloud AWS fresher links, please mention. Here I have sent him the links, right? So I'll be completely sending you all the links completely free, guys. I'll be not taking a single rupees from you. So please try to send a message if you need the job links which are shown below. Okay. So this is the one of the important thing which I wanted to show you. Now coming to the comes is Webcool. Okay, so this company is a startup based company. Okay, so here they are mainly hiring for the position is DevOps engineer. So the experience they are mainly expecting from you is 1 to 3 years of experience. There are total 5 openings and CTC they have mentioned as per industry norms. Okay. So here they have mentioned clearly 1 to 3 years of experience means if you are having some internship experience or if you have some done multiple internships like 2 or 3 internship experience, you are highly preferred for this position, guys. I'm telling you, highly preferred. Moreover, there are 5 job openings in this. Okay. So please try to apply. Don't miss this opportunity. Interview process, machine round. You'll be having one face-to-face interview and last HR round interview. Okay. So there will be 3 rounds of interview here. They have clearly mentioned. The job location is Noida and the education you may be from the BCA, BTech, CS, IT, any educational backgrounds. If you are having just a degree, that is fine for this job opening. And here they have mentioned about what they are mainly, and here they have mainly mentioned what they are expecting from you guys. You should be good at Linux. Okay. Next, you should have hands-on experience on AWS or a GCP. Okay. Next is knowledge of cloud container technologies like Docker. That is, you should be having containerization tool is Docker. You should be good at shell scripting or a Python scripting. It's very mandatory, guys. Okay. Next is you should have knowledge of working on LEMP stack or networking version control systems like GitHub or GitHub. Okay. So here they have mentioned about the working knowledge. Okay. If you are basically have worked on some internship experience or some real-time projects on the lab or a networking or in a GitLab, that is fine. And you should have a technical background, degree education. That is a degree. You should have a degree. That is very important. What you will be doing when you join this position or when you joined as a cloud engineer, as a DevOps engineer, they have mentioned. Okay, clearly this position is, they have mentioned about everything. Okay, whatever the doubts you are having, just check out this job opening once. You are going to get all your doubts clear. Okay, so just go to this apply by GitHub. Okay, you should have a GitHub account for this, guys, to apply for this position. That is very important. Otherwise you can't apply for this position, I'm telling you. So please apply by GitHub position. Just create your GitHub account first and apply for this position. Okay, so this is the 6th job opportunity for you guys. Now coming to the 7th one. Okay, the 7th one comes is here. Okay, that is the Qualcomm.com. This is one of the famous Indian company, IT company, where they have very good work culture. See, if you get a job openings if you are selected for this company, your life is to be very good. Okay, and this is one of the best hiring of the day, guys. So please don't miss this opportunity. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. The job location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, so please apply. The job location is Hyderabad, Telangana. And here they have mentioned the job posting date is 19th of March 2024. This is a fresh. Okay, there are less applicants who have applied for this position. If you come into the minimum qualification they are expecting is a degree in the engineering, information systems, or in the computer science course, or in any related field. No problem, you should have a degree first, and you should have at least 1 year of working experience, or 2 years, 3 years is fine. Okay, so that is the thing. If you are having experience, internship experience, working experience, no problem, you can easily apply. So here they have mentioned about the basics which they are expecting from you is, look at this, you should be good at proficiency with Linux or Windows OS, and you should be having a scripting language such as Power or Python. Okay, so this is the first thing they are expecting from you. Next is experience working with Jenkins automation, work on version control systems such as Git and Purpose. Okay, so here you should be having the working experience on the Jenkins automation, guys, as well as a version control, that is a Git. Okay, next they are expecting a basic knowledge on networking as well as security, guys. Here they have mentioned merely firewall ports, proxy servers, load balancing, DNS. So these all are things which you need to be mention your resume, guys, while applying for this position. See, simply they haven't mentioned these things. These are very important concepts in Linux if you are applying for the DevOps or cloud positions. So please try to mention this services name. Okay, next is you should be having experience with containers, that is, it may be the Docker and Kubernetes. Here they have mentioned monitoring tools such as Prometheus as well as Splunk. Okay, and you should have a working experience of infrastructure as code by using tools such as Chef, Ansible, Terraform. And here they have clearly mentioned that you should be having the working experience on any tool. It may be the Chef, Ansible or Terraform, but mainly they will be preferring for the Chef as well as Ansible and Terraform also. And you should have any cloud. It may be in any cloud class, such as it may be the AWS or Azure. Okay, Next is you should be having the working experience with SQL databases such as MySQL, or in the NoSQL they have mentioned Elasticsearch, MongoDB, AWS S3, etc. in an admin role. Okay, so you should have worked on these databases, okay, mainly. And familiarity, you should have familiarity with microservices architecture as well as a serverless architectures. Okay, so these are the some of the basics as well as intermediate level they have asked for these skills, guys. So please, if you are a good at the concepts of cloud as well as DevOps, this is a golden opportunity. Please don't miss this. This is one of the best hiring for the day, guys. Okay, just go to the apply now section. Okay, otherwise you can ask a referral by to any person in the LinkedIn by using this ID. Okay, so just go to this apply now section and apply for this position also. Now coming to the last job opening. Here the last job openings comes from the company called N53. Okay, sorry, NS3 Tech Solutions. Okay, so this is one of the online training center, guys. Okay, so they have a tech startup as well as a training center also. So this company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps trainer. Okay, if you are a person who are ready to who are interested in teaching field of a DevOps or a AWS cloud or a Azure cloud, this is a good opportunity. Okay, so the qualification they are expecting mainly is degree, and the location is Gurgaon. Okay, that is work from office. Experience is 1 to 3 years of experience, and the salary will be as per the industry standards. Okay, so coming to the things which they are expecting is, look at this: educating and upskilling individual or teams in a DevOps methodologies, tools and best practices. Here we will be teaching a DevOps to a certain number of teams or a persons in a company or a startup. Okay, remember the first point. So you will be teaching a DevOps. Next is conducting training sessions in person, virtually, through webinars, ensuring participant grasps, develops principle, gain practical experience with relevant tools. So here, moreover, you will be conducting the online training sessions, and you will be conducting that webinars. Okay, so you will be make sure that every persons are learning the DevOps tools and technologies. Next is create and update training materials, including presentations, hands-on experience, exercises, documentation to cover various DevOps concepts, tools, practices. Okay, here you will be also doing, you need to create a training materials, and you need to give the update on notes, and you need to give the presentation also, and you will be teaching the hands-on experience and documentation also the DevOps. Okay, so provide ongoing support mentors. So you'll be providing the supports, okay, like the persons who are having the having the doubts on the DevOps tools and technologies, so you'll be assisting them. Next is maintain detailed records of training activities, including attendance, performance, feedbacks. So you will be taking the attendance also, and you will be covering the performance of the each individual person, and you will be taking the feedbacks from the individuals. Okay, if you are having kindly interested in teaching field of DevOps, okay, there are so many boys and girls who will be interested in teaching the DevOps. This is a best opportunity for the day, guys. Just go to now apply now section in the down. Look at this here, as you can see, everything, name, everything, you can fill your details and all, and you can apply for this position. Okay, so here they have mentioned about experience and fresher. You can just mention as fresher or a 0 to 2 years of experience, no problem. Okay, so these all are the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunities in any other domain, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you, guys. All the best for your interviews. Bye.